My name is Maria Burke and I'm an RN and owner and founder of Celtic Angels Inc. During the course of my travels, I find that there's a lot of people out there trying to take care of loved ones at home and really don't have the resources that they need to enable them to do this. What I would like to do today is show you how to make a bed with a patient in it. I know it sounds crazy, but we are going to do it. My partner in crime today is Kate O'Sullivan, who's very graciously agreed to be my model. The supplies that you're going to need are a chuck, a little piece of material that helps reposition your patient, sheets, a bottom sheet, a top sheet, and a blanket, 2 pillows. If possible, have a side rail if it's just a regular bed. You can buy them in any medical supply store and they just slide under the mattress and so that you have a rail at the side. Today we have a hospital bed so that the rails are automatically there. Have your loved ones cross her arms over her chest. Have her raise her left knee and then roll her onto her right shoulder. And for safety, have her hold the safety rail. Pull the sheet towards the foot of the bed underneath the patient. Push the sheet and the chuck underneath your patient. Roll your patient on her back and then raise her right knee and have her roll on her left shoulder. Assist her to hold the safety bar. Pull the sheet and the chuck underneath your loved one and make the bed. Have your loved one roll on her back. Place a pillow under her head. Put a sheet on her, and hospital corners are an option. Raise the head of the bed.